Hello. So today I'm gonna give a brief video for the implementation of those code there. And so first we come to the first task. The first task is about the linear regression. So gonna open it in the linear regression file is there. I guess it's that one. Okay, so for linear regression, I just import a module like and then plot the original data there. So that is the data set I use, like generate random data using the NumPy module and plot the data, build the placeholder to hold those data, and um, build such a model like the for the intercept is the bias, the slope is the weight, and optimize the cost and then initial the model, open the section there, and then write down those like histogram and the loss changing into the file writer in the TensorFlows method, and then for each epoch it will write down the how those data feeding feeding the model. um, I mean how those data like was training in the neural network. Then it will show the details about that, print out those details, the loss, the epochs, the section running, and when it's finished it will print out the cost of the lost, like it will print out the lost, and then plot those stuff to see how's the changing of those hyperparameter affect the results. Okay, let me just run it out, and it's a thing. So that is the original data, and so we coming to the training section, like the epoch is running, and finally it shows the cost of this. The accuracy is not really good. It was like 92%, but yeah. So we can change this parameter for like to get those costs, like improve the accuracy. And how to open it, I would like to show it in. So I write down the events into the log minus file holder. So the log minus file holder right is right there, and there are a lot of files there, but I guess it's the last one. So when we want to show it in the tensor board, we can just open the terminal. Okay, let me just shut down that one. And terminal, it was like tensor board square log direction is equal to the file name, and it was in the users Hanson desktop learning Python lab3, and I thought it was done. Yeah, then we can get those crazy graph in there. It was overriding because I opened a lot of graph there and should better delete some of them, but it doesn't really matter. TensorBoard is right there, so let me just refresh it. Okay, so for this case, the linear regression, what is the name of it? 15529. So for 529 should be that one. Yeah, 529. Just clear. is in the logs. So the red one, see those graph there. So that is the implementation for the first part.